Good morning. Now we are going to see about the purpose of lathe. It is a center. So this is the main component that is called the right center chuck, and it is a secondary component tailstock dead center. So now we are going to see about the functioning of lathe and what is the purpose with having the lathe in all the aspects. So nowadays we are using in the CNC and all. But still we are using the center. Did you know why? Okay, fine. So this is to get a neat shape and a diametric tolerance. So this is the main component. While the tool is holding in the chuck, this is called 3-jaw chuck, and the another one is available, that is 4-jaw chuck. So what are the two types? One is 3-jaw chuck and 4-jaw chuck. So it is a tool post. It is to use it to hold the tool. So this is a stainless steel tool. So if you have a tool, okay. So this is called stainless steel work hold. That is the workpiece is an iron. So workpiece on the irundu and the tool is stainless steel. So this is a sharp using the turner or the shaper. So we get this shape. Okay. So this is the tool post. It contains n number of tools. That is called knurling tool, drill bit, SS, and steel plates also. So it is a semi-automatic. So it is considering upon the degrees are here. Tilt பண்ணிக்கலாம். இது எப்படி வேணாலும் நம்ம இந்த இது பண்ணோம் tilt பண்ணி வச்சுக்கலாம். So for that taper turning purpose, so we using this angle and all. Taper in the sense, taper ங்கிறது பெண்ணோட இது பாத்தீங்களா அந்த மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்றது we will use this. So this is called tailstock. It is used to make a component or operation like as drilling. So if you எடுத்துட்டு இதுக்கு பதிலா drill bit வந்து நம்ம இன்சர்ட் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகேங்களா? So drill bit இன்சர்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா என்ன ஆகும்? So இதுல வந்து சென்டர் பார்த்து drilling கூட போடுவோம். Drilling is making a hole inside the workpiece. So இதுல வந்து 20 mm வரைக்கும் drill பண்ணிக்கலாம். So we use this machine. We have to make a drill up to 20 mm. That is 2 cm or 3 cm வரைக்கும் நம்ம make. So this is called carriage. Okay, this is carriage. So this is the teach tool. It contains teach tool. It is also a semi-automatic. It is also a semi-automatic. We can move front and back as per the operations length. So this is called tool post. This on the right and left side we may use. Okay. So this is the belt friction. So it contains 1, 2, 3 and 4 speed and 4, 3, 2, 1 speed. So it is in first position and it is in fourth position. It contains n number of large number of diameter here, here small number of diameter. So it is slow work. So if we have adjustment panni போறோம் அப்படினு சொன்னோம்னா we may change the speed where motor oda demonstration on this for facing operation. Okay. So it is a single phase motor. It is attached over. Okay, one HP motor. It is electrical supply. So single phase motor. Okay. So second one is this tumbler gear mechanism. So tumbler gear mechanism is built for automatic turns. So we have to make a taper turning or a facing or turning without human interaction. We may use tumbler gear mechanism. Okay. So the main purpose of this machine is to facing intervention. So phasing is called reducing the diameter. Turning is called reducing the length. So we have to get a smooth and nice particle. Already he said no. It is used for getting a correct shape and dimensions. So for that purpose only we using the lathe. The main purpose and of having the center lathe is to get accuracy and precision. So it contains n number of components over here. As compared to the CNC, it is most important is human is more important. Without human interaction, we can't learn the analysis. Okay. Is there any queries about this? Okay, we'll see the case study on this. Okay. Thank you.